What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I just got a trunk mat, floor mat protectant thing from an Amazon seller, Kikimo, which is probably just another generic Amazon seller, but they were able to ship out this trunk mat for free. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, install, and review of the trunk mat on my brand new Tesla Model Y, and we're going to see how it works and to see if it's even worth it to have a trunk mat in your Tesla Model Y. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video, and let's get into it. Thanks for watching another video, guys. If you're new here, this is my 2021 Tesla Model Y Performance. I just got it, so I'm making a ton of videos about it and my experience with it. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. Here's the trunk mat, and it's actually pretty heavy. I would say it's a lot heavier than the box and a lot bulkier than the Tesla Model Y front and rear all-weather liner floor mats that I just got. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this really quick from Kikimo, and we'll see. We're gonna install it right here on this trunk area after that. Yeah, so this thing is like pretty heavy. I guess it's good, it's heavy duty, but I guess it's also a lot of material as well. But this is basically just a huge floor mat, and it's nice. It's wrapped in plastic. I don't think my other floor mats were wrapped in plastic just like this, so it's definitely got a nicer premium feel to it than the floor mats that I just got. So if you're interested in this brand, check them out down below in the description so you can take a look to see how much this was, how much it is, and to see if you'd be interested in buying it as well. So this should be a pretty simple install, but basically the packaging, the plastic, let's just go ahead and get rid of it. And it installs just like this. It just fits right into it. It is bent a little bit because it's been inside that box, but I mean, it's not a very complicating accessory at all. So you can see here, it's a pretty nice quality floor mat. It doesn't have anything on the back in terms of like the extra fabric or anything, but just lines right here. I wish the edges were a little bit more raised to kind of keep stuff from going off the sides as much. But you can see here, the knob is still here. You can lift it up. You can see more stuff down there, and it pretty much does the job. I wish it would have came with something to protect the back seats, but that seems to be another accessory that you have to buy for the Tesla Model Y. So yeah, this was my quick review of the trunk storage mat that I got from the seller Kikimo on Amazon. So check them out below if you're interested in a cheap but pretty good quality actually floor mat. I'm actually pretty surprised on the trunk floor mat quality that I just got, and it's probably worth it because it'll probably protect it a little bit, and I can just throw stuff into the trunk and just not be worried about anything, not be worried about any of the items damaging the carpet like that. But now I do need to get the back seat protected as well. So please comment down below if you have any recommendations for that. I'd love to see what you guys have out there so I can get it myself. So thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.